Hi and welcome to the review of this UAG Metropolis case for the iPad Pro 2017. So I bought this like a year ago and I thought I might well as do a little review about it. Little magnet there in the end, so it clips there. Little slot for the camera and the flashlight, the microphone. These are like some fake screw heads. There's nothing actually turning there, it's just a molding. So it's purely for the looks of the case. I don't mind it, but I think without these it could be a little more honest, because right now you can see it's fake, and you really don't be that close to see it. Little branding here with some metal inlays, quite poorly made again, but I mean, for the purpose it's just fine. There are two materials. There is this little plasticky foamy thing that will absorb everything, and then there's this grippy surface that's a little dotted pattern around the iPad. So for the grip it's very nice, because now I can take it like this and there is no like fear holding it. So it really has like some comfort and agility to the handling you can have with your iPad. For sure it changes the appeal of the product in general from the Apple perspective, but at least it's like useful. It's not just design. Well, one thing I'm not really sure about is this. If we open the iPad, you can see there's like some velvety surface inside. So as I said, I've been using it for a year, so you can see all the little dust that's gone into the velvet. So yeah, you can definitely clean it, but well, it's one thing to keep in mind is you can't really go in the fields with it, because well, it will get dirty. As long as there is not any scratching debris, this is just fine. And as you can see, fingers don't really leave an impact. It's really the dust you can get from your house or whatever that will make the velvet a bit dirty. There in the right side we have the little holder for the Apple Pencil. Now the grip is much looser than when I got it. I can just pop it in there. And what's nice is that this little flap will also keep it in place, so now it's not going anywhere. And then I can just take it out. Nice big holes for the volume buttons. Here the headphone jack, the speakers, another microphone. Also the corners seem to be protected. So honestly, I haven't yet dropped this, luckily. So I can't really say about the drop proofness of this thing, but just like letting it like fall on the table like that from a small light, or throwing it on the bed or whatever, this seems to like protect the iPad from the minor drops. But I haven't tested it higher. But if Apple or someone would send me a free iPad to drop test it with, I would gladly do it, but because I had to buy it myself, I'm not really excited about the idea of drop testing it, so there won't be any drop test in this video. But also quickly, one other feature of this case is that you can take it apart, and now you only have the iPad like that with the connectors for the keyboard. And to put it back, this is the part I'm not really a fan of again, because you have to put pressure on the back of the iPad. And you feel like you're going to break something. Ooh, let's see this time. Oof. No breaking yet, but feels kind of weird. You wouldn't do it like every day, maybe once a year. But yeah, this doesn't feel like something you would want to do with your iPad, because well, that's actually a good thing that the case goes like up there. It's a little proud from the screen, so if you put it on the table like that, it protects the screen. But at the same time, if you're forcing on the back here, this will like allow the iPad to bend like that, and that's not really a good thing to do. But except that part in the back, overall I'm really happy with this case, as it's one of the few cases that's available for the iPad Pro 2017 that looks actually somewhat nice. Oh, one last thing, you can do this, and you can actually adjust the angle. So yeah, that's nice too. You can do that. But yeah, this was my review of the iPad case from UAG for the iPad 2017 Pro model. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.